Hey guys, it's another soup day. We're making fish tea or fish soup, whichever one you call it. You know, we're Jamaicans, we say fish tea. Alright, but it's actually soup. So, if you're new on my channel, thank you, welcome, and I'm happy to have you. So, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back and checking out my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. So to start off, I have two small snapper in here. I'm just going to rinse them properly, clean them up, trim them up, because even though we get them clean, sometimes the inside need to be cleaned out some more. And I'm also going to cut them in two. All right, so we're going to cut them and then we're going to wash them with some lime juice, trim up the tails and the little edges, and then we're going to add them to the pot. Here I have my water about to reach boiling point. I already added my salt to taste and I am going to add the fish. Alright, I'm going to remove the fish soon because we don't want it to boil out. But while it's boiling, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my pumpkin. My husband bought me this lovely little pumpkin. I'm just going to cut it up and then I'm going to peel it. It's easier to peel it this way when you have it in small pieces. So now that it's peeled and chopped up, I'm going to rinse them and we're going to add them so that they can continue boiling and add some color to the water. I added some pimento seeds, scallion, and some garlic to add some flavor to the pot. And we all know that corns take a little time to cook, so we're going to add the corns as well. The fish is now nice and tender as well. I'm going to remove them from the pot and I'm going to add them back later. But before I do that, I'm going to remove the bone just to accommodate the kids. So you don't necessarily have to remove the bones. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my dumplings. I have some flour in here and I added my salt. I'm just gonna gradually add my water until I have a nice soft dough that is ready to make my dumplings. And I like my dumplings small, like really small. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you must know that by now I don't like big dumpling in my soup. So I'm gonna make some small dumplings and I'm also gonna make some little spinners. The spinners are very easy to make and all you do is just pinch, roll and drop it in the pot and that's it. But for this one you just tuck and fold, that's it, and your dumpling is ready. So here I am making some little spinners. You just pinch off a little piece, roll it in your palms, drop it in your pot. It's very simple for those who are making this for the first time. All right, so now I have here some cocoa. I'm just going to peel them, cut them up in small pieces as well. When it comes on to soup, everything must be small. That's just me. I rather to see little cubes of food in my soup than to see big chunks. So it's all up to you. You don't have to cut them up small, but that's just me. All right, so I also have some potatoes. I'm going to peel them and I'm going to cut them too. You can cut them horizontal, vertical, cut them in squares, whatever you desire. All right, and if you like to cook your potato in the skin or if you want to cook your potato whole, just go ahead and do whatever pleases you. You don't necessarily have to do the exact same thing that I do. All right, I have these breadfruit in the freezer for the longest while and I decided to add them to my soup as well. And yeah, I'm just going to rinse them properly and then make sure that my pot is properly stirred up and there's nothing sticking, and then we're going to add all our food that we just peeled. I also have some carrots that I cut up that I'm going to add here, and I have some yellow yam as well, but it was previously cooked, so I'm going to add them at the very end. All right, because it was cooked the day before with some dumplings for dinner, so I'm going to add them because nothing goes to waste. So here I have my fish. I'm just removing the bones, as I said before, to accommodate the kids and myself. I'm afraid of fish bone, especially in soup, so I remove them. I'm reflavoring my pot with some scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, and I'm also gonna add some cock soup. All right, so I don't, if you have the fish one, then that's fine, but I didn't have any fish one, so I am using just a regular cock soup. And sometimes it's very lumpy, so I'm adding some water, mixing it out first before throwing it into the pot. And I ended up using 1.5 packs. So not everyone use cock soup to be honest. Like some people don't use it because they don't think that it's good for you. So if you just want to use your natural seasoning along with your salt, then that's just fine. Just go ahead and do whatever pleases you. Just make sure that you taste your pot to see if it has your desired taste. All right. So I just added back the fish, and this is where I'm going to turn my stove down to low and allow it to cook down until it reaches my desired consistency. I don't like my soup too runny, like too watery. I just like it just the way it is right here in this clip. Yeah, this is how I like it. I don't like my soup extra thick, and I don't like it too runny. So right here in this clip, this is how I like my soup. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna turn it off and yeah, enjoy a bowl of this lovely fish soup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My daughter didn't eat any of the soup here. She is telling me that she don't want any fish soup. So yeah, I took out the bones for her and she didn't want any. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Some of you guys say that my voice is very therapeutic and you like to listen to me, and you have a couple persons saying that my voice is too low. But in life you can't please everyone, and I can't change myself to please everybody. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and continue watching. All right, just turn up the phone a little bit if it's too low. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, stay safe and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.